Assalamu alaikum everybody, this is my 60th algorithm video. In this task we are given a list of numbers and we need to find the kth smallest element. In this particular question we need to find the third smallest element. So first we need to check whether the kth value is a valid one or not. If kth smallest element is less than equal to 0 or kth smallest element is greater than the length of the list of numbers, then we say print invalid k value. Because if I say find the 0th smallest element or -1 smallest element, it is not valid, the k value is not valid. Similarly, if the kth value is greater than the list of numbers, for example in this case the length is 1 2 3 4 5 6, I say find the 8th smallest element, so this is also not valid. Else if the k smallest element is a valid one, I first sort out the list of numbers, sorted list. I use the sorted function and I pass in the list of numbers. Then I print sorted list and I do kth smallest element -1. I do -1 because you know indexing is 0 based. So I print out also the sorted list. So as you can see, this list has been sorted out into this list and the third smallest element is 1 2 3. So the third smallest element is 7. Now if I change the question to 7 10 4 20 15 and we need to find the fourth smallest element. So the fourth smallest element is 15 because in this sorted list the fourth smallest element is 1 2 3 4. So this is all from my side. I hope you liked my video. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.